Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your website with Bing Webmaster tools step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the Bing Webmaster tools homepage. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up option. Fill in the required details to create your account. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button. Enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, look for the Add a Site option. Enter your website URL in the provided field. Select Add to proceed. Choose your verification method. You can verify using a meta tag, XML file, or through your DNS record. For the meta tag method, copy the provided tag. Next, open your website's HTML. Paste the meta tag within the head section of your HTML code. Save your changes and upload the updated HTML file to your server. If you prefer the XML file method, download the verification file provided. Upload this file to the root directory of your website. If using the DNS method, log in to your domain registrar. Add a TXT record with the provided verification code. After selecting your verification method, return to Bing Webmaster Tools. Click the Verify button to complete the process. Wait for the verification process to finish. You will receive a notification confirming your website is verified. Once verified, explore the tools and features available to optimize your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.